down and catch some cod.
Who wrecked it? Can you sort that out, Jaron?
No.
Who wrecked it?
Hi.
Come in, mate.
Cod country. Oh, what a crappy place. Oh, it was peaceful. Film bear. Hey, buddy. That's a good fish, mate.
Oh, Jesus.
How heavy you reckon he is?
Oh, at least 35 kilos. Oh.
You really smashed that homemade lure.
It's a J-Dog special. Pretty sure.
You gonna let him go, mate?
Nah. I wish I could. It's heavy.
It looks really heavy. That's really good work, mate.
Oh.
Well done.
Real quiet.
He's really still. Strap your boots on, bro. It's cod pulling. Yeah! Good stuff, bro.
Fucking stoked.
I'll get a photo. Reckon morning. Little kayak. Nice
Yeah,
one.
Raz.
Stoked.
Yeah, buddy.
Man, it's so cool, eh?
Oh, his teeth are sharp.
Yeah. Good stuff.
Oh, he's a monster. First cast of the morning.
Yeah, deal. Good on ya. Nice one, mate. Mate, that's cod tongue. Nice. Got this. Sure. Yeah. 2 and 2 casts, mate. That sort of looks exactly the same as the other one, eh?
Probably is him. Nah, the other one had red on him.
Yeah, the other one had a bleeding tail.
Yeah.
They're loving that gold rush. Killing it, mate. No. That's sick.
Number 9.
Where's the big one? Sorry. Bye.
This is nature. Nature in all its abundance.
Shot. Oh! Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Nice. Yellow.
Yeah, full natty. Full natty, brah.
They're loving that gold rush, eh?
Loving it.
Good. He's killing them.
Yeah, boy.
What's that?
Number 10, mate. Number 10.
What did he eat?
A Z-Man.
A Z-Man.
Nice, gotta keep them boots dry.
Bear stands in front.
Get away, Wooford! See you, Cod. It's a unicorn.
See you, buddy.
See you, Pepper.